Let's fill out the Colorado Dirt Bike Bill of Sale together and do it in a way that holds up when it's time to register the dirt bike and transfer the title. Start at the top with the date of sale. Then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyers, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the dirt bike, the make and model, the year, and the color. Then the VIN. Type the VIN exactly as it appears on the title or the dirt bike. A single wrong character can hold up the transfer. Then the odometer reading. Write the exact number, not a rounded guess. Now the purchase date and the sale price, in our example, $8,500, paid all at once by check with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties, and it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them only if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. Today we're walking through what Colorado requires for a dirt bike bill of sale. So let's get right into it. First, you'll need a motor vehicle bill of sale for the transaction. Make sure it includes a description of the vehicle. That means the year, the make, and the VIN number. You'll also need to provide the properly endorsed Colorado Certificate of Title. One important note here. The original title must be signed by the owner listed on the title. If it wasn't signed by that owner, that's a problem you'll need to sort out before moving forward. For the seller's name, a first initial and last name is not acceptable. You need to write out the full first name, whether you're the seller or the seller's agent. Now, for the sale price. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.